Hello everyone. We are Team 404 Not Founders from Baba Farid College of Engineering and Technology. And today we are here with a smart tool that can literally save people from getting scammed online. Our project is called Smart Phishing Detection Tool. And it's like a digital security guard that keeps your inbox safe. Let's be honest. We have all seen those emails that say stuff like you have won 1 crore rupees or your account will be blocked, click here. That's phishing. When attackers pretend to be someone trustworthy just to steal your data, like passwords, OTPs, or even bank information. It's a huge problem. Every day, our 3.4 billion phishing emails are sent out. That's insane. And the worst part, old school detection system don't catch most of them. Why? Because they just check if someone is already on a blacklist. But today's phishing attack are smart, personalized, new tactics every day. So we thought let's make something smarter. So here what we build an AI powered phishing detector that works like a smart guard for your inbox. It doesn't just check the message, it scan email tags, check the links, even look at the image like fake company logos. For example, if someone uses a fake Paytm or SBI logo, our tool detects it. It doesn't stop there. It gives each message a safety score and explain why something is risky. So instead of blindly blocking things, it tells users this message is dangerous because the link leads to a suspicious site. It helps people understand and make smart decisions, no guesswork. Now coming to the tech part. We use Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS for coding, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, NLTK, and OpenCV for machine learning and image analysis, Flask for backend, React.js for frontend, and everything is connected through APIs and version control on GitHub. We even made a browser extension so the tool works while you are using your Gmail or any inbox. How we build it? Here's how we made it. First, we collect real phishing and legit emails, links, and company logos. Then we clean the data using NLP and resize the images for image based detection. We train the ML model to recognize patterns like bad grammar, suspicious links, fake images. We used Flask to build the API that contact backend to frontend. The frontend has dashboard and browser plugin. Finally, we tested it using actual phishing example and the results were fast, accurate and clear. We are just getting started. In the future, we want to support multiple languages so it can detect Hindi, Punjabi, and more. Integrate it with Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. Make a mobile app to scan phishing SMS and WhatsApp messages. Even go one step ahead and use AI to detect voice phishing or wishing and provide API access to companies so they can secure their system too. Finally, we plan to deploy it on cloud servers for better scalability. So yeah, that's our smart phishing detection tool. It designed to help everyday users, students, and even big companies stay safe online. With AI and real-time detection, we believe this can actually save people from losing money or private data. Thank you so much for listening. We are Team 404 Not Founders, and we are here to code, innovate, and build a safe digital world.